Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Excel to calculate the mean, median, and mode. So I'm using an example from our book. It's problem 18 on page 69. It says the following is the number of oil changes for the last 7 days at the Jiffy Lube located at the corner of Elm Street and Pennsylvania Avenue. Then it gives us our numbers and it asks us to find the mean, median, and mode. So all I'm going to do in a spreadsheet is put in each of these in its own cell. Once I put them in, I quickly go back and double check 41, 15, 39, 54, 31, 15, and 33. Next, what we're going to do is we need to do some data analysis. So go to the Data tab and the Data Analysis button. If you haven't already put this into your Excel, the directions are in the homework assignment how to do this. If you have any problems, just email me. Once you click Data Analysis, what we want is descriptive statistics. So you're going to click on that and hit OK. Next, it's going to ask me for my input range. So you click on the little box there, and I'm going to highlight all the cells that have numbers in them. And then you click on this little box again. You want to make sure you select an output range. That's basically where do you want them to put the answer. So it doesn't matter. I'll click here. They can put the answer in here. You'll see what I mean as we go through this. Make sure that summary statistics box has a check mark. We want those summary statistics. Can't hurt. Once you hit OK, then it pops up and it gives you everything you need. Here's the mean. So I would say in my answer is 32.57. Let's say we round to the hundredths place with just 2 decimal points, or 2 places after the decimal point. We have our median is 33 and our mode is 15. And that's how easy it is to find mean, median, and mode with Excel.